welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing my favorite hair care products of 2018, and I do have a product to mention to you guys from each step of my routine. So if this is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned for the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. The first step of my hair care routine is to shampoo my hair, and the shampoo I had to feature in today's video was a new shampoo I recently discovered, but you guys, hands down, this shampoo has become my absolute favorite shampoo of all time, to be honest with you guys. I love this shampoo. I don't know what I was doing with my life before I discovered this shampoo, and this is the Keratin Renewal shampoo with keratin protein, pro vitamin B5, and it smooths and softens your hair. Now, I really like this shampoo, you guys, because it is made with natural ingredients, and like it says, it has keratin protein as well as pro vitamin B5. And as you guys know, with relaxed hair, we're always having to rebuild our hair strength, and that's where the protein comes in handy. And you guys, I tried this shampoo out with freshly relaxed hair, and I must say I noticed a difference in my hair health after I used this shampoo, and I'm still using it. I just got my relaxer done like 3 or 4 weeks ago, so I've been using this shampoo ever since I got my relaxer, and I must say, you guys, I have noticed a difference while using the Kerotin line on my hair. My hair just feels really nice, really healthy, and honestly, you all, I have no complaints. Now, this is a really good shampoo. It's sulfate free, paraben free, and it does not have sodium chloride. It's color and straightener safe. Plus, you guys, it's a UV and thermal protector. That is a really good shampoo in my opinion, and I really like the way it cleanses my scalp. It has a really nice lather for it to be a sulfate free shampoo. And if you guys have not checked out my wash day routine using the Keratin products, make sure you guys check out the card section because I will have the video attached up there so you guys can check it out for yourself and see what all the hype is about and why this product actually made it to my favorites of 2018. Honestly, you all, I really like this shampoo. I wish I would have discovered it a lot sooner than when I did, but now that I have discovered it, I can't keep my hands off of it, to be honest. And when I'm thinking of what shampoo to use during that specific wash day, you guys, I've noticed I'm leaning a lot towards the Keratin products than I ever thought I would. Moving on to conditioners, I know you guys could probably guess what conditioner I'm talking about, and it goes hand in hand with the Keratin shampoo. This is the Keratin Renewal conditioner with keratin protein, soy protein, and coconut oil. Again, it says smooths and softens, no parabens or sodium chloride, and this as well is color and straightener safe, made with natural ingredients, you guys. This right here has been my absolute favorite product of 2018. If I had to choose one product I could take with me if I was stuck on like a deserted island, it would definitely be this conditioner. And I know that might sound a little far-fetched, you guys, but this conditioner really does wonders to my hair. I recently just washed my hair maybe about 3 days ago, and I was running my fingers through my hair yesterday, and I was just so mind blown about how strong and soft my hair felt. It felt so good, you guys. My hair has never felt like this before. And if you guys watch my wash day routine video using these Keratin products, you will hear me say that, and I really stand by that. My hair has never felt this good, and I know for a fact it solely has to do with this conditioner. The keratin protein and the soy protein alone rebuilds my hair bonds up, and it makes my hair feel really strong. Plus, it really leaves a nice, silky, smooth finish. I have no complaints about this Keratin brand. It's all good stuff. I had to include this in my favorites of 2018 because, again, I wish I would have discovered these products a lot sooner, you guys. That's how bomb they are. There's some really good products. If you guys have not tried the Keratin line out, you're asleep. Like, you're really asleep. If your hair is dry, brittle, feels like it's just breaking off, it's shedding a lot, I would strongly recommend picking this conditioner up. If you don't have the money to spend on the entire collection, just try to get the conditioner. The next conditioner I have to mention to you guys is an oldie but a goodie, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned this in my 2017 favorite hair care products as well. This is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Conditioner. You guys, I absolutely love this conditioner. For the price point, I feel like it's a really great conditioner. You can find it pretty much anywhere, especially if you're like traveling and you don't necessarily want to bring your conditioner with you. You can definitely find this pretty much anywhere at Walgreens, Target, CVS, Rite Aid. They will have this Aussie Moist 3 Miracle Moist Conditioner. This conditioner is a really good conditioner that I like to incorporate in my hair care routine when I'm stretching my relaxer and my hair gets a little crazy and it's hard to manage. I really like using this conditioner on my hair because it softens my new growth and it makes it very manageable. And I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about this Aussie Moist conditioner and how good it is. So there's really not much I can say about it. If you haven't tried this product out for the price point, I definitely think you should go to your local drugstore and pick it up and just see what the hype is about, because again, you guys, this is my second year featuring this in my hair care favorites. So once I've washed and conditioned my hair, I typically like to follow up with a deep conditioning treatment, and typically I like to use conditioning hair masks. And again, you guys, this is another product that I've mentioned in my 2017 hair care favorites. It's made its way back again to my 2018 hair care favorites video, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be in my 2019 hair care favorites video. This is hands down the best hair mask I have ever came across. I really like the way this hair mask works. I like the way it leaves my hair feeling. I like what it does for my hair. I like the way it smells. I just obviously love this product. And I'm talking about this Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Hair Mask. You guys, this is my 4th one, and you guys can see how low I am on product. It smells amazing. It does wonders to my hair. I really enjoy sitting under the hooded dryer and applying this because it smells so good. It makes my deep conditioning treatment feel really luxurious, and it gives my hair a really nice slip. So if I wanted to detangle my hair with this mask, this is something that I definitely can do, even though I typically don't like doing it as often. But this mask right here, you guys, this is the tea. This is the jam. After I rinse the conditioner out of my hair, it leaves my hair feeling soft but strong at the same time. Plus, I've noticed since I've been incorporating this deep conditioning mask into my routine, my hair has decreased in the amount of shed hairs that I have. And honestly, you guys, it's amazing. I don't really have too much fallout. My hair is really awesome. It's super duper strong. And again, in the title of this mask, it says Strengthening Amino Mask. So that's what it does. It strengthens your hair so your hair is not falling out, it's not breaking out, you're not shedding as much hair as you typically would if your hair is brittle or dry. And overall, this is my go-to deep conditioner. The next hair mask I have to share with you guys is from the brand called Anju, and this is their coconut and argan oil hair mask with coconut oil, argan oil, honey, vitamin E, as well as vitamin B5. I really like using this hair mask during the summertime because I find that this gives my hair the moisture it needs. So if your hair is super duper dry and it feels really brittle, I would recommend this hair mask because it really does a good job of hydrating the hair and making sure your hair is hydrated from root to tip, which is something that I struggle with during the summer seasons because, as you guys know, the hot heat can dry our hair out, and it's kind of like impossible to get that moisture back unless you're doing a conditioning treatment. So I strongly recommend either one of these hair masks, either this Anju Coconut and Argan Oil Hair Mask or this Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Mask. These two have been my jam. After I'm done with my deep conditioning treatment and I go ahead and rinse my hair out, I like to follow up with the leave-in conditioner. And for the longest, you guys, I've struggled finding a really good leave-in conditioner that didn't leave my hair feeling waxy. It didn't affect the way my hair felt once it was styled. And I'm here to say, you guys, again, this is a product that I've loved since 2017, but it's a little different. favorite. This is the It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Leave-In, and oh my gosh, you guys, in 2017 I was head over heels for the regular leave-in conditioner from It's a 10, the spray one, but you guys, once I discovered the Silk Express, it was over. Like, I do not reach for the regular It's a 10 anymore. I always go for the silk one, just for the simple fact it leaves my hair feeling silky. And if you guys did not know, your girl loves a good bone straight silky finish, okay? I love it all, and I really like the difference that this makes between the original one. The original leave-in is really good. If you can't find this one, the original one will do, but the little difference that this makes goes a long way, you guys. This right here leaves my hair feeling super duper silky. I notice when I'm wrapping my hair, sometimes my wrap will fall quite often, and honestly, you guys, I don't have a problem with that because I love super duper buttery silky hair, and this product right here does more than deep condition. It actually does 10 things. It says that it's supposed to cut down your drying time, shield against frizz, enhance your body, protects color, strengthens your hair shaft, detangle, and a whole bunch of other good things that I can honestly stand by. If you guys have not checked out my review on this silk line, make sure you guys check the card section above. I will have that video up there. You guys, this product right here is a lifesaver. I typically like to use this as a detangler, and all the other benefits are just like extra perks for me. But honestly, you all, I do not know what product I would use as a leave-in conditioner if it wasn't for the It's a 10 leave-in products, because honestly, you all, they are bomb.com. Once I'm done blow drying my hair, I typically like to follow up with a style, and for me personally, I like to style my hair bone straight. So once my hair has been blow dried and straightened, I like to go in with some type of oil, and the last few products I have to mention to you guys are oils, and this is the It's a 10 Miracle Oil Plus Keratin. Absolute love this, you guys. This right here has been a staple in my routine all year long. Ever since I tried this collection out, let me tell you guys, I have not been able to put this oil down. I use this oil on my weaves, on my wigs, as well as my real hair. I recommend this oil to so many people. It literally is a miracle. I promise you guys, if you have not tried this product out yet, try it out. It is a little pricey, but a little does go a long way. And it's just a really great product. For me personally, I like to apply this to my hair once I'm getting ready to wrap it. So it really helps set the mold of my wrap, and it gives my hair this really nice shine and sheen. And let me tell you guys how much I love this oil, because I don't think you guys are gonna remember. In my 2017 hair care favorites video, I mentioned the Chi Silk Oil. You guys, this oil has blown my Chi oil to the back seat, okay? I don't even reach for that oil anymore because I'm always reaching for this oil. They work kind of similar, but this one has keratin in it. And if you guys didn't notice, throughout this entire video, the products that I'm mentioning to you all, for the most part, have some type of keratin in them, and that's because having relaxed hair is damaging. So I'm always looking for ways to rebuild my bonds up so that way my hair doesn't break and I'm able to retain length. And I must say, you guys, this is a really good oil. Now, this isn't an oil that you would want to use for your scalp. This oil is strictly for your hair. Oh my gosh, you guys, if your hair is feeling kind of dry, or if you want that really nice silky finish but you don't necessarily want to go through all that hassle of the shampoo and the conditioner, or if you're just simply looking for one product that will do the job, I strongly recommend getting the It's a 10 Miracle Oil with Care. Oil I have to mention to you guys is an oil that I like to use directly on my scalp, and sometimes I'll use this during my deep conditioning treatment, or sometimes I'll use it just strictly on my scalp. But I have noticed when I use it in my deep conditioning treatment, my hair does feel a little weighed down, so I typically like to lean towards using it just on my scalp in general. And this is the Kerotin Enriching Argan Oil. Stimulates hair growth, repairs damaged hair, and softens hair. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is made with all natural natural ingredients. It helps promote hair growth and it helps repair damaged hair. Now, I have tried this in my deep conditioning mask like I just told you guys, and I felt like my hair was weighed down a little bit, but since I've been using it on my scalp alone, I have noticed it does promote hair growth, and I am taking the Kerotin hair vitamins as well. But I've noticed with this oil, you guys, it does wonders to your scalp. It helps stimulate your scalp. It gives it that tingling sensation. It helps circulate your blood flow, and honestly, this is an overall good oil to add to your hair routine or your hair regimen. The last product I have to mention to you guys is something that I rediscovered, I guess you could say, because I've had this product for a while now. I just really wasn't using it as much as I've used it in 2018, and this is the KeraCare Silken Seal Liquid Sheen. You guys, I absolutely love this stuff right here. I'll typically like to use this oil when I'm taking my hair down from my wrap. I like to use this oil because it adds that additional sheen. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It doesn't really feel like an oil. Like I said, it's called the Silken Seal, and it really does give my hair that extra silky feeling. Obviously, you guys, if you couldn't tell, I love my hair feeling really silky, and that's what majority of these products that I mentioned today, that's what they do. So all of these products have been things I've been obsessing over in the year 2018. I really like the way these products work in my hair. I like the way my results turn out when I do my wash day routine using these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.